everyone, welcome to Crafty Hackers, where we bring you the latest DIYs, crafts, and life hacks. Today our video is all about healthy ways to improve the way you look in less than 5 minutes. If you're new to our channel, make sure you click the button in the upper right corner to subscribe, and even if you're not new, click the thumbs up button to give us a like. Now let's get you looking great. Masking tape. If you've ever tried to do a smoky eye or any other kind of eyeshadow look, you know that sometimes the shadow can fall right below your eyes on accident. Next time this happens, don't freak out, just grab some masking tape. Wrap the tape around your fingers with a sticky side facing out and roll it over the eyeshadow fallout to pick up any makeup that's left out of place. Lovely. Stay hydrated. Here's a way to infuse your water so it's not only tasty, but helps to detoxify your body and give you some water-soluble vitamins. Start by putting a sprinkle of cinnamon into a glass. Cut yourself up a slice of lemon, then move on to slicing some pieces of apple. Remove the top off a strawberry and slice it up. Don't forget the mint. Now mix some ice-cold water in with your cinnamon and mix it all together. You can drink this right away or let it sit in the fridge for up to 4 days to pump up the flavor. Yum! Scarf bun. Scarves are a great way to up your look in the winter, but here's a super cute way to keep your hair out of your face this summer. Start by using a hair elastic to tie your hair up into a high ponytail. Next, tie the scarf around the base of your pony and separate the hair into 2 equal pieces. Twist each half of the ponytail with the tails of the scarf. Now wind the hair and the scarf around the base of the ponytail and tie the scarf to secure your bun. You can tuck the ends of the scarf in, but depending on the length of your hair, you might want to secure them with some bobby pins too. Now you've got a chic way to add some boho style to your look. Gelatin pore strips. Summer is the perfect time for glowing skin, and you can clear out your pores with these DIY pore strips. For this hack, you're going to need a packet of unflavored gelatin, some milk, and honey. Add 2 tablespoons of gelatin to 2 tablespoons of milk. Next, get a candle warmer or a double boiler and slowly heat the mixture until it reaches this consistency. Now mix in half a tablespoon of honey. As soon as the mixture is cool enough to touch, use your fingers to apply it to wherever your pores are the most clogged. Once it dries, it's super satisfying to peel off the mask and see all the gunk that you pulled out of your pores. You can use a wet cotton round to clear off any extra gelatin. Now your pores will be looking clear and fabulous. Candy lip stain. Here's a super tasty way to give your lips a little color. Start by crushing up some dark colored hard candies until they make a really fine and even powder. Next, add in some Vaseline for a moisturizing base. Add the mixture to a travel container and brush on your lips for a pretty and yummy lip stain. Toothbrush and hairspray. Here's a hack to tame all your flyaways super fast. Start by coating the bristles of your toothbrush with hairspray. Now use those bristles to tame down any loose hairs. The bristles help to put your hair in place, while the hairspray pins them down. Stunning! Oil blotting sheets. This is a great way for all my friends with oily skin to keep your face looking fresh all day long. No need to buy expensive blotting sheets. Just pick up some coffee filters next time you're at the store. Grab a cup and trace the bottom onto your coffee filter. Cut it out and repeat until you have a nice stack of blotting sheets. Bonus hack, you can reuse an old powder compact by placing the sheets inside. Not only will it keep them clean, but it'll make it easier for you to grab some on the go. Now, whenever you're getting oily, reach for one of your new blotting sheets and press into your skin. Voila! Look at that matte finish. Tanning lotion. Here's a sun-free way to get a gorgeous summer glow. All you need is some body lotion and cocoa powder. Mix the lotion and the cocoa powder together until you get a color you like, then rub the mixture into your skin. You'll get a beautiful natural bronze look in no time. Exfoliating before shaving. Scrubbing off your dead skin before you shave will help you get a super close shave and make your legs look great. Make this exfoliating scrub using items you already have in the pantry. Start with a couple spoonfuls of coffee and some raw sugar and give it a stir. Next, mix in a couple healthy scoops of coconut oil and stir it all together. Now buff this mixture into your skin to exfoliate. This is a great product for your thighs because the caffeine helps to minimize the look of cellulite. But you can use it anywhere you'd like to smooth out your skin. I hope everyone's ready for your sexy smooth legs this summer. Puffy under eye treatment. This cooling treatment is packed with antioxidants. Start by making yourself a cup of green tea. Now grate a cucumber and be sure to save all the juices. Pour them into a glass and use a fine mesh strainer to press out all the juice you can from the shavings. I hope you didn't drink all your green tea because now it's time to mix it in with your cucumber juice. Pour the mixture into a travel container and use it to wet a cotton round that you've cut in half. Now stick the semicircles under your eyes and relax. The caffeine from the tea helps with the puffiness, while the vitamin C in the cucumber reduces the dark circles. To prepare for the days when your eyes need a little extra love, pour your eye treatment into an ice cube tray and freeze. On a day when your eyes are looking especially rough, you can pop out one of these ice cubes and rub them under your eyes. The cold from the cubes will soothe your eyes, and you can pat in a little extra treatment to keep your face looking fresh. DIY lip plumper. For this hack, you can raid your spice cabinet to get full and beautiful lips. You're going to need some lip balm, some cayenne pepper, cinnamon, and clove. If you don't have any ground clove, you'll want to crush up your whole cloves first. Next, scoop out your lip balm and heat it until it melts. Add in a sprinkle of cloves, some cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. Now stir it all together. Separate the base of your lip balm and reattach this piece to the cap. Now pour in your lip balm mixture and reattach the bottom. Now you can pop it in the fridge cap side down overnight, or at least until it hardens. Once the lip balm hardens back up, you can take this lip plumper anywhere. Faux airbrushed legs. Here's a great way to get lovely summer legs without wearing pantyhose. Start by scooping out some body lotion, then mix it with an equal amount of foundation. You can deposit the foundation mixture back in the container by using a big syringe. Now you can rub a couple pumps of this on your legs whenever they need just a little extra help. Your legs will look gorgeous and airbrushed in no time. Eyelash trick. Here's a way to curl and tint your lashes for a natural look. Start by painting a gel eyeliner on the top and bottom edges of your eyelash curler. Pinch your eyelashes for about 10 seconds and the liner will transfer over to your lashes. This is a great way to make your eyes pop and showcase your natural beauty. We hope you liked today's hacks. Let us know in the comments which of these hacks you plan on using to make yourself look even more gorgeous. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Crafty Hackers by clicking the button on the left, and check out more of our hacks by clicking the upper right. Thanks for watching!